Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but hilaban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hilaru ban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra.
Kalong kasngi kabansa akan mau nakabantagi Nongtalang jok Amlaram Civil Subdivision hapo West Giant Hills District hakabala pelipat ba ya kajing puli haka Commerce Stream kabaningkong jok Subdivision ha Nongtalang College Hadien Snem nado bala pelipat ba ya kani kaslam puli kajing puli ya Commerce Stream bala sedang hakispotrek na itung arja Plie ha Nongtalang College kalong kabakarpang namar ba shwaban pelipat ba na perung ya ka hapo People's College katkum kajing perbana kabala pemi hak khandai tarik kolalingkot arja Plie haba ka sorkar jala lingba ka trat puli buti kan siya yu kutulap na benta sangot kinoi kai jong Commerce Stream kajing penrung yu Commerce Stream hanong talang college kala urlong da kajing sim kya jong MLA uba lakamen rumbui menba udang long menteri jong ka trat puli buti hak kajing puli patba yu Commerce Stream la sakilang dikidkhot jong governing body kinoi kai kisamla puli bat barok kibayadan benta bat ka college.
Dear outstanding educators, on this very important day in the history of Nongtalang College, the 10th of July 2023, where the Commerce Stream is being inaugurated for the benefit of the student community of the Nongtalang and the area as a whole. God bless each and everybody. God bless each and every stakeholder who are moving on in this journey of service to the people through the common stream of this college. Thank you very much. Nongtalang College, in the last 35 years, has moved on in the right direction. This will not happen without the cooperation, without determination, without the full support of Nongtalang Village Government, the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and all the stakeholders. Life is a journey, and the journey is to move. Move with a purpose, and the purpose is to fulfill our duty to the best of our ability. My dear student, education now, it is very dynamic, very vibrant, and every stakeholder have to move in the right direction. We have to innovate. We have to fulfill many regulations. And I'm very proud that Nongtalang College has moved in the right direction, as I said before. And students, this is the time, it is a very critical time, where we have seen that education, it is in a transitional phase. We have seen the government of India have launched the new education policy, where the degree will be a 4-year course, and each and every college will be a multidisciplinary college. I'm very happy that Nongtalang College able, in a small step, able to fulfill most of the criteria. And this is happened and it is confirmed by the non-accreditation. You know in Meghalaya how many non-accredited colleges there? Below 20. We have 80 odd colleges in the state of Meghalaya. And only about less than 20 colleges are non-accredited. And in Shillong, how many? Only few college are able to fulfill. But Nongtalang College is one of them. And how many colleges have established before Nongtalang College in Meghalaya? Only 25 colleges, including law college and all, are established before Nongtalang College. All the 50, 60 colleges are after Nongtalang College. This why it happened? Because the farsightedness of our founding father. Some are no more with us, and some are still with us. We can never forget their contribution. So student, this is the place for you. So you are coming here to be successful. You are coming here to be somebody in the society. But it is not a very easy journey. You have to have 6 things in life. A 6th thing you have to have in mind. Number 1 is hard work. Hard work is the foundation of your journey. And number 2, discipline. Hard work without discipline, you cannot do anything. Because no matter how much you do, you have to know how to disciplining of the thing you do. That's very important. Number 3, self-confidence. No matter how much you work hard, how much discipline you have, if you don't have the self-confidence, I can do it, then it will inhibit the growth of your learning process. So self-confidence is very, very important. And number 4, which is very, very important, patience. In or your journey, sometimes, in spite of hard work, in spite of self-confidence, in spite of disciplining of doing everything, but result, it is not going your way. You have to have patience. That is the very, very important. And number 5 is consistency. Consistency in your thought. Now you want to come here to pursue commerce. You have to consistent in that pursuing your commerce stream or your code, whatever may be. Consistency is a very, very important. And number 6, the last. To achieve all this, it is not very easy. It is easier said than done. But you have to sacrifice something. Sacrifice is very, very important. Because now, you are in a young age. You want to study? But there are other distraction or attraction, whatever you have. You have to sacrifice something. You cannot serve. So self-sacrifice also is very, very important. And if you follow this 6 mantra, you will be successful. You will be so. Nobody could stop you and can stop you. I'm sure. So my dear student, nobody is lagging behind. And nobody is inferior to anybody. Everybody have life, their vibrant life, and the life to cherish in this world. You are inferior to anybody. And you are in Nongtalang College. Don't think that, oh, we are in Nongtalang College, the Rural College. No. As I said, there are only 18 non-accredited college institutions in the full state of Meghalaya as of now. And you are one of them. Not only the first cycle, you are in the second cycle. That means you are. The Nongtalang College is one of the top college in the state. And see the result in the last 10 years. I'm not talking last 5 years. The degree level result. You see, check. Compared to Nongtalang College, the result is always 75% and above. Pass percentage. I'm very happy for last year that 10% result is being achieved. You compare. Don't think that being in Nongtalang, you are in a distance. Here in Nongtalang, I'm very happy that the teaching community, they teach you as taking tuition, so to say. Because the enrollment is less. Because of the enrollment is less, the teachers know each and every student. Each one of you is being known by the teachers. And they know what is your strength. And they know what is your weakness. They can work into your strength and can help you to overcome your weakness. The relationship between the teaching community and the student in Nongtalang, it is very close compared to other colleges. So you come here, this is the one of the top college in the state. And the result speaks for itself. I'm very happy that commerce stream is being started today. And by next year, I'm sure we can start other stream. Degree of commerce. Why not? Let it be 1 student, 2 students, 3 students. Journey start from a single step. We should not shy away from taking the journey. So even a single student, no matter, we have to start. So my dear student, and now we have seen in this world, where the world is in our fingertip. Internet really help you. But you should know which one to choose and which one not to choose.